As someone that has been married and divorced 3 times, I'm going to let you know right now that the switch up is absolutely real. You are not imagining things, okay? There are a few breaking points, if you will, where men will switch up in a relationship, and I'm going to give you a list of them. Number one, when you become exclusive. That period of time when you cut off all of your other prospects, the men that you are dating or entertaining, and no, I'm not talking about sex for you men in the back. I'm talking about getting to know people, and now you decide that you're going to be exclusive with this one person. It is not uncommon for them to then switch up. Once where they were trying their hardest, they're spending time with you, they're bringing flowers and stuff. Now he's got you and he doesn't have to worry about that. So that's a very common point that they will switch up. Next one is when you move in or if you move location. So like cross the country to be with a man. Now you're in his house. Now you are isolated from your friends and from your family or from your roommates. And sometimes if an abuser is going to start abusing you, it could happen at that point. The next one, a lot of us know all too well, and that's when you become pregnant. Sometimes it takes you to become pregnant for you to see the real side of somebody come out. Now he sees you as damaged goods and he can do whatever he wants to you because in his mind, nobody else is going to want you in this condition. Now he can drop the mask and he thinks that you can't get away or get anywhere. The next one is marriage. Now he's got you locked down, sis. You got his last name. You're legally bound to him. He thinks he's in control. Mix that legal paperwork with that Christianity mindset of, I'm the leader of the family. You must do what I say and all those traditional roles. And that switch up can be real severe. Another point where that mask can fall off is if it's not when you're pregnant, when you actually have that child. Now all of a sudden he's not coming home and he's not, participating in the everyday rigors of raising that child, changing any diapers. He's left you to do it all, sis. He went from once a very helpful man to now you're feeling like a single mom in your own relationship or in your own marriage. And lastly, if you lose your income, this can also coincide with, having a baby or becoming pregnant. Now his mask has dropped and he's turned controlling because he thinks that you can't go anywhere, you can't do anything for yourself, and you have to ask him for money. Stay vigilant, ladies, and be prepared to leave at any point of time that they switch up on you.